are you? Today we're going to do numbers. The name of the colors: blue, green, orange, purple, cyan, red, and yellow. First, I'll take the number 1. 1 yellow little ball. 1 ball. Now I'll take the number 2. For this, I need 2 red small balls. 1 ball, 2 balls. One butterfly, 2 butterflies. So cute. Now we'll do the number 3. First, we have 2 greens and 1 side. 1, 2, and 3. 3 small balls. What's on my head? Birds on my head. 1, 2, 3. 3 little birdies. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons. Number 5. For number 5, we need 2 cyans and 3 purples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 penguins. Now number 6. For 6 we need 3 blue balls, 3 orange balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 flowers. 6 red, 2 more, then 1 orange. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. The number 7. 7 apples. The number 8. I need 3 green balls and 2 purples and 3 yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The number 8. 8 clocks. Number 9. I need 3 cyans, 3 greens, and 3 blues. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The number 9. 9 dolls. The number 10. 3 purple, cyan, orange, and yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The number 10. 10 teddy bears. Let's count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.